This is the adults pool, which is the quieter of the three that are available. This here is the seafood restaurant, which you can use once per stay per 7 nights. So if you're here on a 14-night holiday, you get to use this restaurant twice. Around here is a nice deck area. Here is your beach, your diving centre, and also here is where you can get breakfast and your lunch. The breakfast options here start from 10 through till 12, and then it moves through to lunch. So this is if you get up late, you can come down here for breakfast. Here is your dive centre and the beach, and you have your own pier and you can dive off the end there. So all of this section here is actual coral that you can go and swim on. It's quite shallow water, perfect for children. And then right at the very end where you see the darker water is where you can go diving. As you can see, there's many accommodation blocks here. It's a very big complex. So you've got the children's splash pool. There is another splash pool as well. Here we are coming up to the children's centre. So here you can drop the children off and they're all very secure in here. There's a whole team that will look after them. Here you'll see there's a gate, I'll show you, that's kept locked so the children can't get out. And down there in the shade, which you can't see because it's dark, but in here are all little rooms where the children are playing and they do their colouring and all of, there's a whole team that will look after the children. This is all the animation things that are available on a daily basis. We are heading up here to the main entertainment pool, which is where they do their beach volleyball. They will do all of the entertainment team here, so it's the more lively music playing all day. We're laying down at the quieter pool today. This also has the swim up bar. In here is your main restaurant, so you can get your breakfast, your lunch and your dinner in here. Breakfast is served from 7 AM and dinner is served up until 9 o'clock in the evening. We've got the main hotel here. Over here you have the second speciality restaurant, the Italian. Again, you can use this once per stay during a 7-day period. Here you have your entertainment area. So in the evening, this will be where your entertainment is and everything is outside. And there you have your pub area. You also have some shops and everything. So because of the sun you may not be able to see, but all through here is some shops, little shops, news agents, all in here for you, all on site. Through here is the main restaurant. Now this is out of seating time, so I'm not going to go in, but I'll give you a glance of what it looks like. And here is your business centre, and this is also where you can exchange your money. I would highly advise just to bring your card with you. There's no cash required because you can change it all here. Here is where you book your restaurants. And here is where you exchange your money. Now you can pop cash into this machine in any currency and it will pop out the local currency for you, or you can just use your card. That's why I said I'd probably advise not bringing any cash with you, because you can get it all out here. Here we are in main reception area. Over here we have a jeweller's. Then we have our receptions team over here. And along this side is where you can book all of your excursions and ask any questions of the team here.